Tool aficionados, get ready for an exciting video showcasing 21 robust and durable Dewalt tools you've likely never seen before. As a leading brand in the ever-evolving tool industry, Dewalt continues to innovate. Buckle up and prepare to discover this selection of their powerful offerings. Finding studs can be a hassle, but Dewalt's Stud Finder makes it a breeze. This yellow guy over here is the Dewalt Stud Finder. It features a center find technology to locate the center of the stud while saving you time and effort. It also boasts a circular sensing plate, so you'll get the most accurate search result on every action. This revolutionary stud finder senses up to 1.5 inches of depth and detects stud even if it's hiding at an angle. Cool, isn't it? It simply identifies wood and metal studs, live AC wires, and many more you can think of. Tough task, simple solution. Struggling with slow internet connectivity on your job site? Dewalt has the solution. A tough yet efficient job site Wi-Fi system. This is a tough yet efficient job site Wi-Fi system from Dewalt, keeping you highly productive when your projects involve some internet work. You can set up the system with some simple steps, and it adapts to any job site according to your need. This Dewalt Wi-Fi system improves your efficiency and profitability by eliminating visits to the trailer for internet access. Never face low confidence issues with this one-piece steel Dewalt hammer by your side now. Let's be frank. Hammering is one of the most used elements in DIY projects by handy homeowners. Both tracking hard, it lets you take control of each swing with its top-notch build quality and longevity. Plus, this hammer comes with optimal weight distribution and precision balance designed to offer you the needed comfort while causing as low fatigue as possible. Thanks to the oval face strike face, it makes toenailing easier than ever. On top of that, it has a magnetic nail starter that allows you to easy one-hand nail placement every time. Hold on, there's also a side nail puller that helps you pull out all the nails sufficiently without fishing for another tool in the bag. One single tool, boundless versatility. Tackle big, thick metal and plastic pipes easily with the Dewalt D28730V chop saw. When it comes to chopping big, thick metal and plastic pipes, a chop saw has no rivals in the field. This 2,300-watt chop saw features a broader base that increases stability and lets you handle the machine with utmost safety. With a comfortable D-shaped handle, it offers a bit of control over the whole project. Plus, the D28730V is equipped with a high-power abrasion-protected motor that provides great overload capabilities to maintain superior durability. Meanwhile, the 4,000 revolutions per minute, no load speed, substantial cutting depth, and accuracy lets you bring pro quality to every operation. Not just that, it also features an adjustable fan sense part guard that maximizes user safety for all commercial jobs. Video camera inspections are a game changer in professional plumbing. Dewalt's DCT410XR cordless inspection camera is a reliable tool for the job. So here is the Dewalt DCT410XR cordless inspection camera that allows you to check something in confined spaces. This little guy comes with a 900mm long probe, so if you want to check, it's long enough. But let's not skip the coolest part of the tool, and you can easily remove the wireless screen of the camera for a comfortable inspection. Carpenters, Dewalt's trigger clamps are a must-have tool for your toolbox. Every carpenter will love this tool. These Dewalt trigger clamps offer ultimate clamping force to handle all easy and tough jobs. Plus, you can use them as a spreader for individual applications. These clamps have removable non-mirroring jaw pads, and there will be no single scratch or damage while clapping hard on the wooden surfaces. You can apply up to 600 pounds of clamping pressure with the one-handed trigger design. And also, you can deal with small light-duty, large heavy-duty applications. Thanks to its heat-treated nylon body, you'll get second-to-none durability. Dewalt DCW 210 Brushless Sander. This 125mm sander runs on an 18-volt battery, but allows you to take on large sanding projects with the fullest confidence. It's compatible with an airlock mechanism, meaning you'll be operating with superb comfort and no dust. The best part of the sander is it allows you to adjust the speed between 8,000 and 12,000 OPM, so you can bring an even look onto the surface. Are you worried about the controlling hassle? Not an issue. The ergonomic grip and the perfectly positioned head allow you to operate with utmost control, producing an extremely low level of vibration. Protect your eyes in style with Dewalt's safety goggles. Sunglasses are often used to enhance your look and sometimes to provide you with protection, but this Dewalt DPG Editor dual mold safety goggles keep your eye highly protected while working on demanding projects. With the tough coat hard-coated lens, this concealer clear gloss offers grave strength to withstand tough scratches, even during extreme job hour. Meanwhile, the anti-fog lens coating provides tough protection against fogging, and the adjustable elastic cloth head strap maintains a firm hold, then comfortable fit all the time. Check out this impressive Dewalt DHS 780 cordless miter saw if you're a serious DIY or a pro trade person tackling heavy-duty jobs with cordless saws. Yep, this 350mm cordless miter saw handles big cutting jobs while running on batteries, plus you can run it on AC power too. With a substantial cutting depth and height, it simplifies all of your professional cutting tasks around the demanding job site. Not just that, this miter saw is great for cross-cutting also. The DHS 780 features a slide block last that firmly holds the materials and brings the most precise outcome possible. And the stainless steel detent plate maintains optimal performance and high durability for years of use. So cut without the hassle, cut with confidence. Save time and effort with Dewalt's cordless cable stapler. Electricians never forget to pick up their cable stapler when heading towards a project site, and instead of fishing for the worthy one, you better go with this Dewalt cordless cable stapler. It simply saves you from great mess around precision when fastening telephone wires, electrical wires, TSL cables, and all. It features an extended trigger for multiple orientations and ease of operation. And not just that, the compact frame also makes a difference while operating inside spaces. Surprisingly enough, you can drive up to 1,600 staples after a single charge, meaning you no longer have to take the pain of back and forth charging. Gas or battery? Why choose when you can have both with Dewalt's water pressure washer? When choosing between gas and battery-powered pressure washers, it's obvious you'll get confused. What if you got such a tool that uses them both? Yep, made this Dewalt called water pressure washer. It's a portable cleaning solution with patented pressure-ready technology. This pressure washer features a unique battery power technology and also runs on fuel, delivering up to 3,400 psi airspeed to blast away all the dirty marks from your surfaces. Thanks to the auto-start electrician choke, it lessens a huge amount of operating hassle. With the spring-loaded trigger lock handle, you can achieve great control over your every application. However, you don't have to worry about durability. This pressure washer is guaranteed tough. Revolutionize your landscaping with Dewalt's cutting-edge lawnmower. Next tool on the list is something every DIY garden maintainer or landscaper will love to have. This Dewalt Return Mobile Revolution, as the way you've used it more before. This mower has a comprehensive electric ecosystem and multiple charging options that elevate its usability. Thanks to fire-swappable batteries, it offers you day-long runtime for commercial usage too. Most importantly, it features the HE2 high-efficiency cutting deck that provides you with the elite cut quality while using less power than a standard one. Meanwhile, the superior X-Blade technology maintains high precision between jaw, and as a result, this mower easily adapts to your job site and converts in the blink of an eye. Plus, the motor generates as low vibration and noise as possible, so its actions won't bother your neighbors again. Tackle thick wood cutting with Dewalt's brushless chainsaw. Chainsaws aren't an indispensable item if you're involved with some thick woodlock, cutting around the home or outdoors. This Dewalt brushless chainsaw might look ordinary, but it offers superior versatility and power to live up to all your expectations. This saw is equipped with an efficient brushless motor that produces plenty of cutting power and maximizes the total runtime. Not just that, it also features a toolless tensioning in the bar retention knob that delivers proper bar force and minimizes operator hassles. Plus, the comfy D-grip panel is positioned perfectly so that you get ultimate control and stability for all medium to heavy cutting jobs. But hold on, there's more. The auto-oiling mechanism of these chains allow continuous lubrication and simply extends the total tool knife. Accurate measurements made easy with Dewalt's tape measure. Before taking on a project, professionals they would consider accurate measurements, And if they have this Dewalt DWT 36225S tape measured nearby, things will turn into child's play. This tape measure features an impact-resistant ABS case that easily survives a 60-inch drop, plus the heavy-duty rust-resistant blade lasts longer for years to come. On top of that, the integrated lock protection guards the lock button, and the built-in linear slot gives you additional security options simple in luck and creating work. Stop struggling with cords and check out this Dewalt DCB 1800B power station. While going under extreme work pressure on the job site, it's very common you need to charge up batteries back and forth. It's a specifically designed power station with high portability and plays a great role in the field of outdoor works. It can charge 4 standard batteries at the same time. It's a perfect alternative to a gas power generator, which requires no gas to run and produces zero noise when in action. On the other hand, it's very easy to carry and weighs surprisingly low, meaning there will be no maneuvering issues. Upgrade your impact driver with this Dewalt impact connection attachment kit while using a regular impact driver. There are always some attachments that'll help you to bring efficiency to your applications. This accessory kit simplifies the day-to-day activities and minimizes the total cutting effort while maximizing job site productivity. The Impact Connect lets you get rid of all the hand tools when operating an impact driver and reduces all the fatigue issues. However, it's completely designed for Dewalt drivers, but surprisingly has multi-brand compatibility to switch between applications with the fullest confidence. Cut fast, save time. Taming your worksite just got easier with the Dewalt XR trimmer. Let's end up today's list with Dewalt XR trimmer. It's a lightweight tool that has all the essentials you need to tame the worksite. This handheld trimmer runs on a battery and has a top panel design that lets you operate with maximum ease and offers great runtime. It has unparalleled cutting speed and effectiveness that will surely be going to immersive user experience. Cut through large hardwood pieces with ease using the Dewalt DCS 577 high-torque cordless circular saw. If you're involved with cutting projects of larger number and need to break down large hardwood pieces, a circular saw is the only practical solution to keep a good pace. This 54-volt battery-powered saw offers the power of cords while being absolutely cordless. With the great airlock compatibility and an integrated dust blower, this circular saw eases every cutting application. Thanks to the 190mm diamond drive blade, the DCS 577 delivers up to a 65mm depth of cut with uncompromising power. Plus, it also features a high-grade magnesium base plate that maintains high stability in between cuts. However, the circular saw ensures up to 170 cuts at a single charge. Meanwhile, you can also do some bevel cuttings too. Forgot to charge your phone last night? No problem. Dewalt has a fast wireless charger pad to save the day. This 2-hour charging pad comes with a 6 feet power and cable that keeps your phone near to hand. However, it can charge your phone even through rugged phone cases, so changing concerns on the job site seem past now. 3. Using your phone while driving can be risky. Dewalt's reinforced magnetic vent power keeps your smartphone secure and accessible. Just set up the vent to your car, attach the magnetic bar to your phone case, and the vent will securely hold your phone. The cool part of this tool is you can rotate it up to 360 degrees to use your phone comfortably. You won't have to worry about using a phone while driving anymore. Never run out of power on the job site with Dewalt's Worksite USB charger. On a job site, your every item needs to be durable so they can withstand any harsh condition. That's why Dewalt design this 30 never-block Worksite USB charger, which means all of your needs around there and lasts surprisingly long. With two 2.4 amp USB ports, this 12-watt charger will charge up your devices and your workmates also. In addition, this Worksite charger comes in a compact size and minimals to ergonomic that takes a little space off the socket board, yet plays a vital role in your workshop life. Dewalt utility knives make cutting jobs easier for handymen apart from power tools. Dewalt also offers folding and fixed blade utility knives. These knives are specially made for handymen who tackle multiple cutting jobs in a single day. Each of the knives is constructed of Sheffield quality blades and lets you easily cut through every material. One of the best features of these utility knives is they come with a magnet that keeps the blade securely in place. Thanks to the curved ergonomic grip and biomaterial handles, You'll get superior strength and ultimate comfort while striking with it. Not just that, it also allows you to keep your knuckles away from the workpiece and ensure the safest action every time, even during rush hours. Another feature worth mentioning is the onboard blade storage. So that was the list of the 21 Dewalt tools you've probably never seen before.
Thanks for watching our videos. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.